Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and thanks for tuning in, and I say thank you all for your support, for watching my videos. I appreciate you all. So today's recipe is all about rainbow trout fish with vegetables and potatoes. You are going to love this recipe because it is not a regular meal that you cook every day, okay? So just make sure you watch the video from the start to the end because you will love it. Here are everything I'm going to use for this recipe. I have rainbow trout fish here. I'm going to wash later on. I have my citron, also very important, salt, garlic, black pepper, thyme, tomatoes, and my potatoes. I've also got the vegetables: zucchini, green beans, carrots, onions, and yes, so now I've already cut my potato in the pot. I'm going to add salt and let it cook a little. I'm not going to let it be too cooked, okay? I'm just going to let it be a little soft, okay? So now here is my fish, which I've already washed, like I've properly and thoroughly washed it, okay? It is very important to wash it to take that slimy stuff away from it, okay? You can use the lime and salt, okay, which I did. So now I'm going to season the fish, add my salt, black pepper, and my mixed spices, okay? So after that, I'm going to fill in the fish with the tomatoes, garlic, and the citron. Yes, it is very important to do that so that the taste will go inside, like the fish will be really tasty, okay? So as you can see, after doing that, I'm going to add my citron to it, okay, my lemon. I'm going to add it to the fish and even on top, and after that I'm going to carefully and properly wrap the fish, okay? As you can see, I added also a little salt to it. It is very important to season it very well, to marinate it very well, so that it will have that good taste. So now I'm going to carefully and properly wrap the fish. I'm also going to continue that with the second fish, okay? I'm going to do the same process with the second fish. So yeah, here is my second fish. I've already seasoned it like the way I did with the first one. I'm going to carefully and properly wrap it also. It is very important to wrap it carefully and properly. You can also use the baking paper. The baking paper, you have to like soak it in the water, soak the baking paper in the water a little, and then you can use it. So as you can see, my fish is in the oven and my potato is finished. Like, it's not really cooked, like not properly cooked, but it's just halfway cooked. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the casserole dish and put it in the oven. So I'm going to add a little amount of olive oil and then add also a little amount of black pepper. Like, the black pepper is optional. You can decide not to do it, or even with the olive oil. So the potato is also in the oven. So in another fresh pan, I'm going to start frying my vegetables. As you can see, I added my olive oil. Then I'm going to add a little butter to it. The reason why I added butter is because I love the taste, the flavor, okay? You can decide to use just olive oil. Yeah, so now I'm going to add my onions and start frying. I'm going to fry these onions for at least 30 to 40 seconds. I'm also going to add other vegetables as well. Remember guys, that vegetables is very good for the body. It is a must eat, a must try. If you are not used to eating vegetables, I will advise you to do that, okay? Because it has a lot of vitamins, it boosts the immunity and lots more. So I added the carrot and then the green beans. So after adding the green beans, I'm going to add the garlic, stir properly, like stir fry a little, and after that I'm going to add the zucchini as well. It is very, very important and very delicious. I love zucchini. So I added that and stir fry and let it fry for some minutes. Then I'm going to add the salt. After adding the salt, I'm going to add the thyme, a little amount of thyme, and this is also optional, but I love the taste of the thyme in the vegetables. That's why I decided to add it. You can decide to leave it, like to take it out, okay? So after that, I started adding the mixed spices and the black pepper as well. So we are just going to do that, and then I'm going to taste the food and see if it is very okay, like if the taste is okay. And I'm also, of course, going to add just a little amount of Maggi cube, like quarter of half, okay? I don't really know how to measure these things, but yes, I didn't add too much, okay? You can see the one that is left, just a little amount so that it will have that good taste. So after that, I'm going to add my lemon to the vegetable. And guys, this is also very good, like delicious, okay, but it is also optional. You can decide to do it or not, but I decided to do it like that because I am eating mine with fish, okay? I like that that sour taste. I'm going to stir fry and let it cook properly. I'm also not going to let it be too overcooked so that it will not lose its nutrients. I'm going to just do that, and I decided to add more black pepper because the pepper was not enough. And as you can see, guys, we are coming to almost the end of this video. So after adding the black pepper, of course, I'm going to stir very well. And as you can see, guys, that's it. My vegetable is ready, and yeah, that's it. So I'm also going to bring out the fish and the potato from the oven. Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look so good? Of course it is, and it looks so inviting. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You are going to give it a try, and also leave your comments in the comment section and tell me what you think about it. So now my potato and fish is out of the oven. This is exactly how I love my potatoes, okay? I love to put it in the oven because I like the taste and how it feels in the mouth, okay? Yes, so that's it, and this is my fish after 40 to 50 minutes in the oven. Wow, this looks so delicious, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video from the start till the end. Please, after also cooking this food, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section to tell me what you think about it. So now I'm going to dish out my food now and eat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video from the start till the end. I really appreciate you all, and please don't keep this video to yourself alone. Share it with everyone you know. Help me to share, like, and please, if you have also not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Also tell your friends to subscribe also to my channel. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you guys. So look at this goodness, this delicacy you are seeing here. Wow, it is amazing. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.